Today we are going to make a best dad trophy for Father's Day. For this activity we need 2 disposable cups, 1 transparent tape, paint or markers, 2 pipe cleaners, a hole puncher, piece of paper with marker. We're going to start with coloring the cups. We can either use paint or markers. Today we are using markers to color the cup. Now we are going to put cups together on top of each other. One cup with face down and the other cup with face up. Now put tape around the cups so that they can stick together like a trophy. Take a piece of paper and now we are going to write a nice message for Dad. You can trace the message for your child or let them write on their own. Now paste this paper on one side of the cup with a glue or with transparent tape. Now we are going to put holes on the side of the message with a hole puncher. Let your special adult do this for you. So we put the holes on the side of the cups. Now we are going to put the pipe cleaners into the holes, and as we know the pipe cleaners have sharp edges. This part is for your special adult to do it for you. We're going to make a handle out of this pipe cleaner and then with the other one too. First we can put some more of the transparent tape so that the pipe cleaner is around the cup and the handle is at its place. If the pipe cleaners are not at their place, you can use some more of the transparent tape. And now our best dad trophy is ready. You can either use a paint with a different message, or you can use the markers with a simple different message. And this is ready for your dad or your father-like figure in your family.